Welcome everybody. Today in this video I'm going to focus on how we can extract data from an SAP application. In the introduction video to BI Blue I explained this diagram. In this video I'm going to discuss how we can extract data from an SAP system. The SAP system is classified as an application extraction. Once we extract the data from SAP, we can store the data in any database of our choice. We find that some SAP clients do not want to implement SAP BW. They would like a cheaper and simpler solution, or for whatever other reason the client might have. In that case, we would position SAP Data Services as we can build a data warehouse in an external database. Now, when extracting data from SAP, we have several methods. One is to do direct SQL towards the database. We do not recommend this method, and this is highly unadvised. Then we have ABAP extraction. Now what happens is Data Services, once you've built your data flow and how it must extract the data, it automatically generates the ABAP code. So we don't write any ABAP code. And it sends that ABAP code to SAP. SAP then uses that ABAP code to know how to extract the data and then returns it to Data Services. Then we have extractors. This is the normal BW extractors. We can make use of all the BW extractors within Data Services. Then we have RFC read table. This is a remote function call that we use just to read small tables. We do not recommend it for large tables. Then any BAPIs that are remote function enabled, we can then use that to extract any type of data. Then there's obviously RDocs that we can also use to extract and send data to SAP. We will be focusing on the ABAP extraction in this video. Okay, over here I'm going to be showing you how we can extract data from SAP. I'm using the ABAP extraction method. I've got an SAP system here open. Okay, I'm in transaction SM50, but the reason I'm logged in here is just to show that I'm only logged in as one user. I'm the only user on the system. There's no one else on here. And then when we extract from data from SAP, we should either see another dialog instance being run. We can also make use of background instances, but for this demo I'm using a dialog instance. If I go back into here, here's a job that I have open. I have actual data flow for SAP extraction, and within that I have another SAP extraction R3 data flow. Now just to show you, validation, generate ABAP code, it automatically generates the ABAP code for us to extract the data. If we scroll down here, we can actually see the select where it's going to extract the data from. As you can see, it's a simple extraction where I'm just extracting some fields from BKPF, then sending it to Data Services. Data Service will then pick up the data and put it into a database of our choice. In this example, I'm going to put it into MS SQL. Okay, so let's run it, execute. The job has started. Okay, let's go into SAP. We can now see the job is running over there. Job is completed. We go back here, then we go over here, and we can see Data Services is busy reading the data that SAP sent to it. Go over here, and then the data will be in our table. This table is created in MS SQL 2008. That brings us to the end of our demo. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please contact us on info@biblue.co.za.